What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, it's cool, right? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, it's cool, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. You always come back. You guys inspire me. Thank you so much. You guys make me want to come back to see you guys. So I just want to say a big thank you to all my old subscribers and all my new subscribers that haven't seen this face before. Thank you for coming in to check me out. So guys, if you guys want to see when I upload new videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell, and you guys will be the first to know. So guys, yes, I've come back with another face mask. Somebody sent the picture to me and they said, oh my god, you guys should do this, you should do this. And I thought, oh my god, this is so cool. So I said, yeah, let me do it for you. So yeah, it's another face mask with a shield. So this definitely is my last one. I know it feels like I'm becoming a little bit of a face mask junkie, but I ain't. And this is definitely my last one. And guys, I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. So these are the things needed for the tutorial. We're gonna need a bottle, we're gonna need some fabric, measuring tape, scissors for fabric, and then scissors to cut the plastic. And then we're gonna use these pegs as well instead of pins today. Guys, I've cut up my plastic now. So this is 2 inches and 3/4 here, and then it is 8 inches across. So once we have this piece, we'll move on to the next step. So guys, before we move on to the next bit, we want to kind of fold this in half so we can get an even cut, and then just curve the corners at the top. Like so. You need to cut out a piece of fabric that is a rectangle like so. It needs to be 8.5 by 12.5 inches, and it will look like this. I will cut another piece of fabric out, which is 1.25 inches width, and then length is 11.5 inches. So I'm just going to cut this out quickly, and then we're going to move on to the exciting stuff. So with this part of the fabric, this is the one by 11.5 inches by 1.25 inches. We're going to have to make this into a bias. So we're going to fold it in half first and press it down. Okay, and then we are now going to fold it in again like so. So where the crease is, we're going to just take the edge and put it in, take the edge and put it in, and then we're going to fold it and then press it down like so. fabric. I'm just going to press it out. This part is optional, you don't have to, but I'm just going to crease it so that I can get the center point. So that I can get the center. So here it is. So you can see now we're going to use our bias to wrap around the plastic. So this is where the pegs come in handy. I think it's easier to use pegs than pins because we're using the plastic. So when we're going around the corners, guys, we're going to have to, you know, fold a little bit just so that it sits smoothly. I hope you guys are following okay. So just make sure you tuck it right in so that you can feel the plastic in the corner. So we're going to do this all the way around and then we're going to sew this on. Oh, seems like I've done mine a little bit long. So basically you want to leave a little bit off here. So I think I'm just going to snip off about here. So instead of 11.5 inches, I'd say make it 11. So that this is how it needs to look. I'm just going to put the last peg there. You can see what it's looking like. Guys, we're about to stitch this on. So I just wanted to show you guys the stitch that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using stitch number 11, which is here. Which you can see the stitch is closer to the edge. So I'm going to turn my machine to there, then we're going to sew. Guys, just take your time with this. It is a bit awkward because we're sewing plastic. So just take your time, like I said, just kind of bend these corners in. So guys, this is the other piece of fabric that we cut out. So the next thing we want to do now is place this inside. So we want to kind of find the center. So about here. So you want to place the center pieces together. And then you want to fold this over using your crease, hence why I put the crease there in the first place. Just makes it a bit easier. And then you want to clip these together and then sew down here using about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So guys, I'm using the same stitch, number 11 on my brother's machine. I'm going to sew this down. Just be careful, take your time. You don't want to break a needle. Back stitch. So guys, we've sewn that across now, so we're now going to turn this the right way. Take this out. Voila! Looking good, looking good. I'm excited. I was so excited. I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, I so need one of these in my life. So yeah, this is it now. So now all we need to do is put our pleats in and our elastic. So let's move on to the next step, guys. Guys, we want to do the markings for our pleats now. We're going to do this on both sides. So I'm going to show you on this side, but you do the same on the other. So the first part, we're going to mark it about 1 inch, 1 inch and a quarter. Then we're going to go down to 1 inch. Then we're going to go down to 1/2 an inch. Then we're going to go back to 1 inch. Then we're going to go to 1/2 an inch. And the last one is going to be 1 inch. Yeah, so you're going to do that for this side, and then you're going to do the same for this side, and then let's start pleating. So guys, from our 1 inch and a quarter marking, we're going to pinch it there, and then we're going to take it down to the next line, which is like so, and then we're going to pin. Going to do the same on both sides. This bit might be a little bit complicated, but literally you're just going to each line that you did. So the next line that we did, we're going to pinch it there again, which is here, and then we're going to take it down to the next line. So we're going to pin here, like so. And then the last one, we're going to pinch here again and take it down to the last, sorry guys, that's the neighbors screaming next door, the kids. So then we're going to take the last bit down here and pin that as well. So I've pinned this down now, so I'm now going to sew all the way around from here, all the way across here, down here. Actually, and I think I'll leave the bottom. Yeah, so I'm just going to sew all the way from here, all the way here, down here, and then the last bit we're going to do is to add our elastic. guys, the last part of the tutorial now is that we want to get a piece of elastic which is 12 inches long, and then you want to cut this in half, making it 2 pieces of 6. Making it 2 pieces of 6. And then we want to tuck it in, so we're literally just going to tuck it in on the side here. You see that there's like a little opening here at the top, and then we're going to tuck it in at the bottom as well. Or if you don't want it to be, if it's just for yourself, you could just literally just sew it, pin it here and pin it here. So we're going to do that on both sides. So we're going to put one at the top here, and then we're going to put the other one at the bottom here. Hope that makes sense. So I decided to just pin mine inside. After all, the mask is just for me, but guys, I think the best way to do it now that I'm doing it, because it's the first time I'm actually making it, I think the best thing to do next time is to put the elastic inside when you're doing, after you've pinned your pleat, and then sew it all together before you after you've pleated it. So, but in my case, because it's not for anyone, but if you just want to make it look a bit more professional, I think the best way to do it is before we sew it down, add the elastic and then sew it down. But in my case, I'm just going to sew it down like this, and I will show you the finished product. See ya!